What's up, guys? Back again today for our daily pack opening. Opening up another Legendary Duelist Season 2. Still looking for 2 of the Variant Art Secret Rares. Secret Rare Variant Art cards, I guess technically that term. So, fingers crossed we get one today. Alright. Got the white die again. Got the Blue Eyes logo. So, let's see, what do we get? Urgent Schedule, another repeat. Man, this is getting crazy. I'll end up having to buy those two just separate. Alright, first pack. First up, we've got Cyber Harpy Lady. We got Dragon Spirit of White. Here is Maiden with Eyes of Blue. Cybernetic Revolution. Decoy Dragon. We got Blackwing Pinaki, the Waxing Moon. Abyss Actor Extras. Here's our Blue Eyes Chaos Max Dragon and just the regular Ultra. Here's our Blue Rose Dragon in green. Frozen Rose in green. Here's our Magnificent Machine Angel. Harpy's Feather Rest. Rose Witch. Rose Lover. Luna Light Fusion. Fallen Angel of Roses. Black Garden. And last card, we've got Barrage Blast. So, there you go. First pack down. Second pack. Easy opening there. Alright, first up, we've got Blackbird Close. I haven't seen very many of those. We got Photon Change. Here's Abyss Actor Wild Hope. The White Stone of Legend. Here's Glowing Crossbow. Photon Hand. Abyss Script Romantic Terror. Priestess with Eyes of Blue. Here's the White Stone of Ancients and just the regular Ultra. Here's our Blackwing Simone, the Poison Wind in blue. Here's Rage with Eyes of Blue in the blue. We got Twilight Rose Knight. Harpy Dancer. Merciful Machine Angel. Harpy Lady Phoenix Formation. Hysteric Party. Hysteric Sign. I don't remember seeing very many of those either. And last one, we got the Cyber Angel Izana. So there you have it, guys. There is our daily pack opening for today. As always, I'll leave price description below. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.